And this one's always an interesting one. We got Mom in the bow on the ready, but then we got somebody laid out in the bow like, I can't be bothered with helping you guys dock. So she gets the nice leap, makes it onto the dock. But again, instead of getting the assist, we've got somebody who's like, yeah, this is not what I'm doing today. The old passenger princess on the boat. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Point Marina. So she's trying to walk them up, but it's kind of actually like a little tug-of-war battle here. They're not gaining any ground because Cap's got it in reverse as he's trying to bring the stern around. So she's having a tough time. She's really just holding the line here on this one, trying to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. So we're finally going to get an assist if somebody else gets off the boat. But the same lady who tied up this bow line is going to go for the stern line as well and basically take care of it completely on her own. She's like, but here we go. Now we've got two of them pulling. But I don't think that bow line's tight enough. Yep, nope, it slipped off on her. She has to go back and take a look at it. I saw the bow coming off the dock, and I'm like, what in the world's going on? One of our frequent visitors down here at Black Point, we get the manatees, we've got this one, and there's a little smaller baby that we catch with it once in a while as well. And here comes our next crew in on approach. So Cap looks like he's trying to line it up. I think we just shifted into reverse. He's going to brake check. Doesn't like something about the line that he had. And he's actually going to back out hard on this one and do a full reset, it looks like. So this is attempt number 2 from the Hydro Sports that we saw that missed on the first attempt. They came back in. And he's going to push off, and we're going to miss on attempt number 2 as well. So they're going to back out on this one. Let's see if he goes for another full reset, or if they'll just try and line it back up and come back in. Cap again with the heavy reverse. And he's backing way out one more time. So I'm assuming we're going to go for another full reset on this one, which is just odd. So here we go, attempt number 3. Let's see if Cap can get this one landed. So he starts to make his turn in toward the dock. Got some people on the ready. We've got fenders out, lines out. So, I mean, at least the crew is ready to roll with a port side attempt, and he backs out again. Man, I'm wondering if he's not having some sort of shifting issue because he's gone heavy on this throttle into reverse, which makes me wonder if the shifter's not stuck and he's having a tough time and having to really manhandle it. And then when he finally gets it back, he's adding too much throttle. So, gonna try and set it up one more time. I think you should go back to the other dock. I wouldn't want to do it on this dock. If you're struggling like this, because the concrete walls on this side, if you wind up missing out, that's a tough side to miss on. So taking a different type of approach on it on this one. And this is attempt number 4. So Cap turns it in, but they're just off the dock. And our guy's going for the leap, maybe. He tosses the line. Good call. And gets the leap and gets off. I love the fact they tossed the line first, so at least he knew something was there when he got there. And our guy pulled out and quickly realized that's probably not the way he wants to take this one home. And so he's going to back it down and try reloading it again. But definitely a crooked mess on that one.
So
So our crew here appears to be having an issue. They started trying to back it up, and the motor kind of dug into the ground on them, and it kind of... The motor was up and kind of fell down. I'm not sure if the trim gave out, if the trim was already broken and they were holding it up with something, or what. So our crew is all standing around now, I guess trying to figure out what the next move is with this one. And here we go, we've got somebody else walking over, and here we go, the old manpower to try and get it up. So, I mean, if they get it lifted up this much, there should be a service lock on it. I wonder if they couldn't just put that down to hold it up. Whatever they just did didn't work, though, as it's just coming right back down. So here we go, up again. But again, the service lock should be the key. Unless that's what broke. And I'm wondering, now that I'm saying that, that could be the case. I personally have never seen one break, but I definitely know they don't recommend that you tow with the service lock down. For that reason, in case something happens and it was to break. Because whatever they're doing now, it doesn't appear they've got a way to hold it up. As our guys, he's looking for something. And one of the guys walks over there with a stick, or a pole, or something. So it looks like they're looking for some way to wedge it. So here we go, they pick it up again. And they've abandoned the pole idea. But they are stuffing something. I can't tell if it's rags or what they're stuffing back there. They're stuffing something behind it, though. To try and wedge it up, and I'm assuming it'd be just enough to keep it off the road so they can get this thing home and hopefully get it repaired. So they pick it up some more. And it looks like they got it wedged up, and it looks like they're good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.